So I just came across this project called AReaL, and it's a fully asynchronous reinforcement learning system. It's pretty mind-blowing.
Wait, what do you mean by fully asynchronous? That sounds like it could really change how we approach AI training.
Exactly, it means the training doesn't have to wait for all agents to take their turns, which could speed things up significantly.
That's fascinating. But isn't there a risk that asynchronous training could lead to inconsistencies in learning?
Good point, I guess that's where the design flexibility comes in. Users can customize how they implement it.
Right, and I noticed they mentioned scalability too. So it's not just faster but can handle larger models as well.
Yes, they claim it has industry-leading speed for training large reasoning models, which is a game changer for AI research.
But how do they ensure that the performance stays high with that kind of scaling? That sounds tricky.
They seem to use cutting-edge algorithms like GRPO and PPO, which are well known in the reinforcement learning community.
Interesting. It's like they're combining proven techniques with new technologies to push the boundaries.
Totally, and the open source approach means anyone can dive in and test it for themselves, which is refreshing.
Speaking of testing, they provide all the training details and data. That's a big deal for reproducibility.
Definitely, it's like they're saying, here's our formula, go ahead and build on it yourselves.
And they're even focused on affordability. That's crucial for smaller research teams or independent researchers.
Exactly, plus they compare their model performance to giants like GPT-5, which is ambitious.
Right? But shouldn't we be cautious? Just because they claim comparable performance doesn't mean it's universally applicable.
True, I wonder about the limitations. There's always the risk of hype in AI projects.
And also, the potential issues around deployment and integration with existing tools and frameworks.
Absolutely, but their integration with OpenAI agents and Camel AI shows they're thinking ahead.
That's a smart move. Collaborations could ease adoption and stimulate more innovation.
It's like they're creating an entire ecosystem around this project, not just a standalone tool.
Right? And the user community can contribute too. This could lead to some really interesting developments.
I'm curious about their future roadmap. What's next for AReaL? More algorithms, features.
I think they're hinting at ongoing minor releases and major updates. They seem committed to evolving the platform.
That's exciting. Continuous development could attract a lot more users and contributions.
Exactly. But let's not forget the potential ethical implications of such powerful tools.
Yes, with great power comes great responsibility, right? We need to ensure these tools are used ethically.
For sure. And transparency about the data and algorithms will be critical to maintain trust.
I agree, the balance between innovation and ethics is a tightrope to walk.
And how about user accessibility? If it's too complex, it can deter new researchers from jumping in.
Great point, they appear to put effort into user-friendly tutorials, which is a good start.
Yes, I hope they continue that trend. It's essential for fostering a diverse research community.
So what do you think, could AReaL really reshape the landscape of AI training?
Potentially. It's all about how effectively it can be adopted and the community it builds.
Exactly, I'm eager to see how it develops and what innovations come out of it.
Same here. It's like being on the front lines of AI research, and it's just getting started.
And that's the thrill of it, there are always new frontiers to explore.
For sure, I just hope they keep the door open for collaboration and shared learning.
I think they will, open source projects thrive on community engagement.
Absolutely. I'm excited to dive deeper into AReaL and see where it takes us.
Same, it feels like a tool that could empower a lot of creative solutions in AI.
Let's keep an eye on it. Who knows what breakthroughs might come next?
Definitely, I can't wait to see what the community will create with AReaL.
And it'll be interesting to track its influence on the future of AI research.
Exactly, the possibilities are endless, and I'm excited to be a part of the conversation.
Absolutely. This is just the beginning, and I love where it's headed.
Well, let's keep discussing these developments, there's so much more to uncover.